Find or read reviews that people are talking about Kinglucky jewelry-inspired clip-on earbuds with butterfly earrings. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The first, clip-on open earbuds that look like jewelry. Kinglucky introduces a new take on wireless audio, clip-on open ear earbuds with detachable crystal earrings. They wear like accessories and sound like true wireless headphones. Whether you're heading out or on a call, these are a style upgrade you'll actually use. All-day comfort for small ears, ear clip Bluetooth design. Unlike traditional earbuds, these ear clip Bluetooth headphones don't go inside your ear. The open ear design sits lightly on the ear with no pressure. Just 4.0 grams per side, they're perfect for small ears, long hair, and even glasses. No falling, no pinching, just comfort. Clear and balanced sound, tuned for real listening. Most open ear headphones focus on bass, we tuned ours for what you actually listen to. Whether it's podcasts, phone calls, or playlists, enjoy clean vocals and soft depth without overwhelming your ears. For everyday use, Bluetooth 5.4 and IP56 waterproof earbuds. These wireless Bluetooth clip-on earbuds are ready for real life, fast pairing with Bluetooth 5.4, and IP56 rated protection that handles sweat and light rain. From daily walks to commutes, they stay connected and comfortable. Gift-ready wireless earbuds for women, with detachable crystal accessories. Beautifully boxed and easy to love, these are wireless earbuds for women that feel personal. Ideal for birthdays, holidays, or a gift to yourself. Note, the decorative crystal earrings are fully detachable to match your style, just keep in mind they should be removed when storing the earbuds in the case. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.